Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Yohimbin is an alpha 2 blocker, and this is obtained from raw alpha alkaloid. And the functional importance of yohimbin is mainly used in functional impotence. Okay, yohimbin can be used in functional impotence, but the drug of choice for functional impotence is sildenafil. Then overdose of yohimbin will result in hypertension and it can cause tachycardia. Never it is given with clonidine.
thank you and thank you for watching.